What's going on, good people? Happy Saturday. Just picked up this barn find 1989 Kawasaki Vulcan 750. This thing's been sitting for 7 years. Last on the road in 2018, and it was parked because of a fuel leak at the gas tank. This thing was donated to the channel. My co-worker had it, and it was actually his uncle's bike, and he rode it from up in some part of Arkansas to Mississippi and parked it, and then my co-worker took ownership of it, and he was going to do something with it, and it's just been sitting for years. And I had asked about it a couple years ago, and he kind of gave me a price that wasn't worth it. But I was talking to him the other day, told him about the YouTube channel. He said if I want it, take it. So I just picked it up. Now this thing, he said it was leaking gas from the tank. I'm thinking it might be the O-ring on the petcock, maybe it was leaking. But he said it will run gas down the carburetor onto the motor. And the last time he rode it, it was getting the leak more and more, and he didn't want to catch on fire, so he parked it. But it's all complete. It's got a key to it. Tires, look like the back tire might have been changed. The front tire is dry rotted, it's on flat. Probably a whole air, put some air in it. It's got this cool skull looking radiator guard on the front. Skull on the fender. Now they made these things from 1985 to 2006. So 22 years they made the Kawasaki Vulcan 750. That's a long run for a motorcycle. Last tagged in 18. The seat, I don't know if somebody recovered the seat, but it didn't change colors, but it's not ripped. It's got to be a seat cover because it's stitched. It might be somebody made a seat cover for it. V-twin 750. It's also got a set of Vance & Hine twin pipes on it, so it'll sound real good. Vance & Hines. So it's going to need the typical stuff: carburetor cleaned. How many miles? 27,000 miles. So she's been rolling. It's got some aftermarket turn signals on it. Little stubbies, I hate those. They're ugly. Twin front disc brakes. Now these things are water cooled, so it has a radiator. Back turn signals are broken. It's got a nice set of, what do they call it, bologna slash cut, bologna tip. Whatever they call it, they're cut Vance & Hines pipes. So it might have a jet kit in the carburetor. Sometimes they jet these carburetors when they put those pipes on. Sometimes people just buy them, just throw them on there. If it runs, it runs, you know. But it is a 5-speed transmission, shaft drive. I don't know if the throttle is stuck. I haven't even looked in the gas tank. I'm scared to. Throttle, whoa. Throttle is not stuck. He reached over and grabbed the front brake handle when we was putting it on the trailer. I was like, ooh, the brakes are gonna be locked up, because it rode pretty easy. So he had this thing in like a barn type shed, and he moved it to the outside of the barn under a lean-to by the barn, then he put it back in the barn. Then he said he got a four-wheeler and a side-by-side, and he basically said he wanted this thing gone. So good donation to the channel. So I'm up here at the car wash. I am going to attempt to clean this thing off. I really want to look in that gas tank though. Let's see. Got a fellow motorcyclist that pulled up next. Let's look in the gas tank and see if it'll even open. It's probably rusted shut. Yeah, have to do some WD-40 on that, because it won't. I hope that tank ain't bad though. I don't want to break the key. Turns the switch on. It don't sound bad, but I can see it look like somebody. Oh, they probably had some of that trim that go on around the gas tank. So let's see, can we get this thing clean? Kind of windy today. I didn't turn it on. Soak it down with some soap. Hate to get the seat wet, but it'll dry. Soap smells pretty good. Probably gonna blow these stickers right off the fender. Man, we ain't blowing today. It won't cut off. It didn't want to cut off. Wind is blowing hard today. I think I took a bath with the bike. You gotta be prepared. Let's see, should we use engine tire cleaner? Nope, that don't work. getting sprayed in the face. Looking better already. Man, this thing has got some pressure. Soap smells pretty good. Probably gonna blow these stickers right off the fender. Same time, it sucks. But anyway, it looks pretty clean when all the dust blew off of it. I don't know if somebody painted this tank. It's supposed to have some decals on it. Vance & Hines looks nice. I'll get it out in the light here in a minute. It's just so hot out there in the sun. But yeah, it looks pretty good. So first thing, gonna get the gas tank open, see what shape that's in, and then I already know the carburetor is gonna have to be gone through. Since this is a V-twin, you got 2 carbs in there, 1 for each cylinder. Some of them can be a pain to get out without tearing up the carburetor boots. All right, here it is out in the sunlight. It's still kind of dirty. This stuff needs to be polished up with some Mother's chrome polish or something, and some real fine steel wool. But it's still a complete bike. It's got the side covers. That's good. I won't have to hunt them up. Side covers are getting expensive for motorcycles these days, especially old ones. It's got the air cleaners on it. I kind of like these, the little double air cleaners. The only thing that's scaring me is that gas tank. Hopefully that gas tank is in good shape and I won't have to find one. Got some surface rust up here. But anyway, that's gonna be it for now. Hope y'all having a good Saturday. I am. Got this thing donated to the channel for me to get going. As y'all been watching the channel, y'all know 99% of the stuff I come up with, I get going. So hopefully this thing ain't locked up or anything from sitting for so long. And hopefully those carburetors are worth saving. I don't know what this toggle switch is for. Maybe it's got some lights on it or something. But anyway, that's gonna be it. Y'all like, share, subscribe. Hope y'all having a good Saturday. Hope y'all having a good weekend. And I always leave some comments on there, and check out the first channel, RPM Auto. And that's it. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for being here with me. If it wasn't for you guys, it won't encourage me to get stuff like this. And this is my time off from work and a hobby to get stuff like this, to get it going, to show the world. All right, hit y'all up later. Bye.